What's up, y'all? Hope you have a marvelous day. It's girl Mitch back with a brand new video. You read that title. I'm coming with you. I'm coming with you for a day in the life of a college student, business major. Okay, so yeah. So today is Monday. The time is 10 something. I think it's like 10:50 because I just came back from the dining hall. I actually started my day pretty much early because I just wanted a good start for the day, just begin this week. So yeah, so I only have one class, which is econ. It started at 2:30, so I have a couple hours to just chill out, to any little thing I have to do in between those hours to get ready for that class. So what's on the agenda for today is I do want to go to the class, listen to lecture, copy some notes, and do want to go to the library after and just study for other classes. I do want to go to Starbucks to get some coffee, just get me energized and ready for the day pretty much. And I am starting to load for laundry. I did film that little clip of video, so I'll put it in there after I'm finished, you know, talking, introducing the video, girl. And what else? I might get some lunch with you guys. So pretty much, it's not really a lot I have to do today, just something really simple and chill because it's Monday. I don't have a lot of classes on Monday, so like I love that because Monday's like a chill day for me. And yeah, so come along and just witness me being a business major or whatever. I don't know, but yeah, so I'll see y'all around 12:30 when I'm getting ready for that class. Okay, bye. What's up, y'all? So I got up from my nap and it's 1:46, the last time I checked the time. Now it's time to get ready for my econ class. So my one load that I put in earlier when I showed you guys is already washed, and now I gotta put in the dryer. So I'll show you guys putting it in the dryer. And yeah, I already did my hair earlier and shower and everything. So basically just me to find my outfit and just to put it on and be on top, basically. Okay, and pack my book bag. So I'll show y'all me doing all that. So yeah.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
y'all, so before I leave, I want to show y'all my outfit of the day, and it's just something simple and chill. So I have on this black, blue and white sweatshirt that says Brooklyn, and I have on these high waist ripped black jeans with this wear about white Air Force because I wear these a lot, and my book bag and my black mask. And I didn't do too much with my hair because I didn't feel like it. So yeah, I'm ready to go. So I'll see y'all in my class, okay?
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
Say something. Girls need love too. Yeah. Girls need love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Yeah. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? Yeah. She needs love. Some girls need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you get right. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can be real good. Please don't get these feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge. Girls need love too.
Okay, y'all, so you reached the end of the video, and it's later down in the day now. A lot has occurred. Like, after I finished from my econ class, I went to Starbucks. I went for lunch at Penn Express, and I did go to the library to write down some notes and study. It was just a lot going on for this day, so I really didn't give y'all a lot of update after I was finished class and all that. I just literally just record and montage, right? So yeah, just bear with me. You know, I'm trying to get better at vlogging for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a marvelous day. Bye, girl.